In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Overstock. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, find the item you bought, and share a helpful review that other shoppers can trust. Start by opening your web browser and heading to overstock.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page for the account option. Click that, then choose Sign In. Enter your email and password to access your account. Keep your login details private, and make sure you're on the official site before signing in. Next, find the product you want to review. You can use the search bar if you know the item's name, or browse through the categories. For example, if your item is jewelry, click Jewelry and Watches to explore that section. Scroll through until you spot the exact product you purchased, then click it to open the product page. On the product page, scroll to the Reviews area and select Write a Review. This opens the review form. You'll see a place to add a display name. This is the name that will be shown with your review, so choose something you're comfortable sharing publicly. Now give the item a star rating. 1 star means you were unhappy, and 5 stars means it exceeded your expectations. After that, add a headline. Keep it short and clear, something that sums up your experience at a glance, like great value and sparkle, or not as expected. In the main review box, describe your experience in detail. Be specific about what you liked, what could be improved, and any details that would help someone decide, such as fit, quality, comfort, durability, or how the item looked compared to the photos. Avoid including personal information. Objective, honest feedback is most useful. You may be asked to share your location. Choose your location, and then open the state drop-down to select your state. This helps add context to your review and can be helpful for regional shipping or sizing experiences. You'll also see a question asking if you would recommend the product. Click the option that reflects your experience. If you have photos or a short video of the item, you can upload media as well. Make sure your images are clear, well lit,